Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on my YouTube videos. Now, this is an online market website which has different kind of features. It is sleek. It has a wonderful mobile experience and mobile views, which is a UI or UX interface. This is nice. I know you guys might be wondering how we're able to achieve this result. You just have to stick to the end of this video to be able to understand how you can be able to do this yourself, install and set up. See you guys at the next segment. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now in this video section, I'm going to show you guys how to install the latest online banking website script. Now I'm using a Stinger for this video section. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment on my YouTube videos. Thank you. So once you come to your hosting environment, it's still the same process. As you can see, let me click on this. This is my domain name, which is empty. So go back to your dashboard, then go to File Manager. So if I use this cPanel, I should to use a good cPanel just to avoid some errors. Okay, most hosting do not allow certain JavaScript. Then go to your public_HTML or add-on domain. Then go to the top right corner if you're using cPanel. Click on Settings. Then a display will pop out. Then click ensure to show hidden files and home directory. Then the next section here is I'll go to Upload. So this is my file. I'll just click on the zip file. I'll click Open. Now this is uploading already. Then go back to your dashboard. The next thing you do is ensure to create your company email account. So create your company email account is very easy. Just go to email account, then follow up the process. Okay, and ensure to save your information on your notepad. So after you've done that, go to database wizard or data. So let me just fill out this information. So I'll fill out my information. So after you've done this, ensure to save your information. Now if you're using cPanel, once you put your database username password, then it takes you to the next section which shows all privileges. Ensure to click on it, then you click on next step. As you can see, my database has been created successfully. Now I'll click on enter phpMadmin. If you're using cPanel, go to phpMadmin. Now this is it. Then go straight to your database name. If you have multiple database on your website, then go to import, then choose the file, and this is my database, and open. Now go down to import. As you can see, our file has been uploaded successfully. Now click on structure. Let me go back to my file. As you can see, this has been uploaded also successfully. Now if you're using cPanel, when uploading the file, ensure it shows you green. The bar turn to green sense before you exit the section. If not, you won't be able to install the script properly well. Then ensure to extract this file. You right click on extract. Since I'm using Sting, I'll just create a temporary folder name. So I'll double click on the folder, ensure to copy all and move them back to your public_HTML or your add-on domain. As you can see, so I'm deleting the folder and also the zip file. Now the next section here is we come to .env. You edit this. Now this is an edited version of this website. I have to edit and improve some certain informations. Alright, then go to your domain name, copy your domain, and just come here and paste. Do not paste it outside this URL. Remove the slash behind it. Now here should be your bank, your domain name. Then let me just say so do not put space behind it. If you want to add your domain, the domain name, add your domain name, then use capital letter to differentiate the second one. Ensure they are the same thing. There should be no space. If not, your website will show blank. So just follow what I did. Okay, it's created. Copy your database username and password and just copy and paste here. Now this is for my database password. This is my DB and also the user section. So after you've done this, click word save. Then I'll go back here and reload. So guys, this is the front end of the website. As you can see, this is the demo section here. Now your PHP version should be 8.1 or 8.2, 8.1 and above. Okay, and this is how the front end is. The next section here is if we go back to public_HTML. Let me show you guys how to change and edit the front end. Then once you come back to your section here, before you go to that route, your .env, ensure this is change the permission to 600. Then you update this. Then go to resources. Now this is, if you click on the home section, this is where you have the home page information. Then you edit it and just delete this here. Okay, then you can actually change information here if you want to. So let me just change this. Then you say, I come back here and reload this section. So basically this is how it is, as you can see. So this is how you change, and if you want to go back again to get most of your layout information, go to views and you go to layouts. Then these are the layouts, app controls. This is the base of the blade, control the home page and the rest. This dash.2 control the user section, and the guest .2 control the login and auth section. So guys, that's that on how to register, so how to edit the front end of the website. The next section here is how to log in the admin. So to log in your admin link will be your domain name /admin/validate_admin. So that's how you log in your admin information. Then go back to your PHP admin, go to admins. Then this is admin information, click on edit. Then change this to your company information, which is your company email and also your password. Then you encrypt this. Be sure to click go. Then you go back to the admin section and put in your information. So this forget password here, if you are a dev, ensure to remove this forget password and go to your app section, HTTP, controllers, admin, then auth, and edit this and remove every file inside. Okay, why is if you are not using a good host like me, like Hostinga, if you want to get Hostinga, just message me on WhatsApp. I'll send you my link and you're able to get it at an affordable price or rate. Now, hackers usually use all this as a backdoor to get into people's websites through the password in admin section. So it still depends on the hosting you're using. Hosts that have a lot of vulnerability is not suggested. So after you've done that, click word sign in. So this is it. Now this is how it is. Okay, so make sure you get how to remove all this you're saying. Go back to your public_HTML, go to resources, go to views and go to admin. Scroll down to where you have sidebar. So you just command or control/ on this and save. Then you go back to the top menu, .blade. So once you come to top menu, .blade, do the same thing here. So you just do the same thing here. Then you save. Then you exit section. You go back to layouts. Then you go to app.blade.php. Now this section here, you just do the same thing and you control or command slash. So I'll go back to the admin section and reload the section here. So this is it. The next section is go to settings. So you go to app settings and let's set up this information. So copy your domain link, you paste it, and you change it to your website's name. Let me just do that. So after you've done this, then ensure your logo and favicon, this is the size there, here, then click update. As you can see, then you go to transfer code, then you turn on all these, then you update. And you can also change all this information here. You can also change the name of the codes. Then you go to preference, then ensure to copy your company email. You can turn this on and save. Then you go to email account and put your email, change this to your email name and save this. You go to SMTP, do the same thing for the SMTP. Since I'm using Ostinga, mine is smtp.ostinga.com. Then I'll copy my email password I created and save. Then scroll down and click on save. Then go back to send mail and save. So we've done that already. Then go back to settings, go to payment settings. Now this section here is same thing. Just click on view and change all this to your information. Enable the status and type for withdrawal it. So I'll just keep this as for both, and you put the minimum amount and maximum. This is easy to understand. Then click on save. So it's still the same process of you adding your payment option. Currency is for bank transfer, while crypto is for the wallet section. Okay, it's easy to understand. So after you've done that section, we're good to go, right? Now this is appearance settings. You can also change the appearance of your user dashboard by editing all this. So basically that is all about the admin section. So let me just go straight to the user section. And let me navigate to the registration aspect and create account. So this is it, and let me just fill out this information. As you can see, so users are able to select their account sections and put in their PIN. And the next section, the password is a strong password which is required. Then I'll click agree on this and create account. So if you did not send your email well, you will have errors, 500 errors. So as you can see, this is working perfectly well. Try to watch my video on how to install and how to use a particular design you purchased from me. Alright, so go back to your email. Let me reload here. As you can see, this is my verify email. Then I'll click on verify email address. Now instantly it takes you to the account section of the website, which is user account section. So I think I made a mistake. I'll go back again. Okay, so I'll just fill out this KYC section and agree to this. So this one show you guys how most of the information here works. I won't be going today because it's easy to understand and it's working perfectly fine. All designs is working. Good. So let me just upload this information. So I downloaded this online. Let me just click on submit application. As As you can see, it's working. Okay. Then the next section here is go to your admin. Go to your admin section. Go to new user application. You click on the view application. As you can see, these are the information. So you click on action and you shows you this. Click on confirm. So this is how it works for the KYC section. Then after you've done KYC, go to manage users. On this particular user dominant account, once you turn this off, users can continue with the website. Then go to dashboard. As you can see, this is the dashboard of the website, which is sleek and which is nice. So this is how it is. Let me just go straight to the deposit section to show you guys how it works further. As you can see, once I go to Bitcoin, put in my amount, then continue to the deposit section. As you can see, the not available we added, right? So let me upload the payment proof. So I've uploaded payment proof and click submit, and it takes you to fund application. Okay, so that is how it works. So once you go back to the admin, go to user deposits, just click on view section, and this is it. Then back and you process this. As you can see, this is easy to do and easy to use. So let me just go to transaction. So once you come to transaction, the next thing you do is, now this section here is, you see this receipt, you take it to a complicated page. Why? Because this is a customized website and the link is interfering with the previous design. So what you just have to do is go back to your file manager, go to resources, go to views. Then once you come to view section, go to users, then scroll down to where you have transaction. Now transaction.blade, I have to edit this. Once you scroll down, we have deposit as withdrawal. Then scroll down where you notice something like TD, which is the receipt. Yeah, to this section, just remove it or control slash, which is to hide it. Then you save, and let me go back to transaction history and reload. So good. So this is just for this section here. Now even if they log out, they're able to continue the transfer section. So for instance, I choose the cryptocurrency. Now I'm just, and I'll put in my PIN, and let me just put this as family. Then I'll continue transfer. As you can see, set confirm transfer section, and it takes it to this code. Now I don't have the code. Once I go back to dashboard, as you can see, I don't need to go back again to do another transfer. I just need to continue from this transfer. Even if the user log out from the website, they will come back and continue the same process for their pending transfer. So as an admin, go to manage users. You go to manage and you click on action, or if you scroll down here, you'll be able to see the user code. If you want to change it, action and edit this section. So definitely, if you want to change the code, you should to put the same digits of the code. Okay, so the same number of the code if you are changing. So if I go to continue pending transfer, you can see IMF. I'll continue this section. So if you use that log out, they're able to come back and continue the same process. And this is for Swift. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please guys, hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment to my YouTube platform. Alright, go back to the next section here. Is for the COT. Remember, I think you guys can actually change all the COT to a different code number if you want it. Now this will definitely takes users to the OTP section. So I'll go to OTP and confirm transaction. As you can see, copy this I'll go back to the user and paste. I'll confirm OTP. Good. So this is a transfer receipt. Users can also print the receipt and they can download it. So this is how it works. So once I go back to the dashboard section, then users go to transaction. They're able to see this particular receipt because it has no complicated issue. When they click on receipt, it takes them to their dashboard, which is good. So ensure to follow my videos and understand it perfectly well to avoid it, doing the wrong thing. So that's that. Users can actually take loan. Once users take loan, through many process for this. So they can apply for loan, and as you can see, let me just do it quickly. And they'll agree on this and submit. So if you come to admin, go to loan application, go to active loans. As you can see, once you click on action, go to more actions. Once you mark as processed, meaning you funded this user. So it means you funded the user. Then for the one we did just now, we did a transfer transaction, which is international transfer. As you can see, you click on the view icon. Now, if you click on paid, meaning you've paid this user, you can keep this as on hold. Then the user we see to change to on hold. If you say reject, you need to harden this. So that's how it works. Now for the virtual card section, it's also easy. Go back to your admin, go to virtual card, go to card settings. Card settings, so you can increase the prices for each of the card. As you can see, this is the monthly fee for the card, and this is the minimum and the maximum. As you can see, then after you do click on save settings. Good. So once I go back to the user section and I'll go to cards. Now I'll click on apply for card. So this is, I'll choose the card level. As you can see, choose any of the card section, then put your billing address and apply for card. Good. You have one, users have one pending card. Once you go back to admin, go to virtual card, go to all cards or pending application. As you can see, click on action and approve, meaning this is it. Now once you go to action, go to view details. You'll be able to top up user account, user card. Let me just top this up. Payment, and then you can also deduct from the user card section. So once I go back to dashboard, the user dashboard, as you can see, this is the card. If I flip the card, show details, and so this is how it works, which is awesome, guys. Awesome. So we've done that. We've done for the loan request. If you come to IRS tax refund, now in order to do this, go back to admin, go to manage users. And users are also getting emails, as you can see. Emails are coming. So go back to admin, go to manage users, go to manage and click on action. What next? So once you click on action, what next is you come to, let's say, go to edit. Then for this IRS, ensure it is 11 digit and you put alphabet, capital letter, then the digit should be behind it. So that's how it works. Then click save it. Then this is account limit. Then click up. So once you turn on dominant account, users can't perform anything because the account is on dominant. Okay. So let me go back to the IRS and reload the section. So as a user, I fill out this information. I fill out this. Let me see. Then this, the submit request. Good. Now the filing ID. As an admin, you send this to your users. Then submit filing ID. So As you can see, this will just keep on showing the panel. So this is how it works basically. Once you go back to admin section, then you go to IRS refund, go to all refunds, and you can see pending here. Go to actions, you approve. Sorry, that error comes out because once you click on action, if you click approve here, view details, it moves approve here. Then you click on approve, you won't get that error. That's just link issue. The link doesn't exist because there's no link there. So this is how it is. So once user go back to user section and go to IRS refunds, then they can track their status. As you can see, it's approved. So then you just have to send them the funds. So how to send user funds? Go to manage users, then you go to manage, click on action, then go to fund user account. Let me just say fund. You can just keep this as, select the type of fund. The scope, you can put this as IRS. If I dev, add IRS to this, and description, you can backdate this and ensure to send user email. Then you fund the account. So users will definitely get this. You go to transaction sections. So this is how it works, as you can see. So guys, this will be all about this website. If you like this script, guys, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and big giant tech. See you guys in the next video.